from down to up, and from this side behind bars. What do you say? The weather today is so cool, amazing. The weather is very nice. It's tempting to go out, but still the heat is intensive. Look, today is another beautiful day, and it's another very great day today for this amazing opportunity. And I'm shooting this video from the house, but I want to be taking you outside for 1 2 3 and we see what's happening over here. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends with the place you're watching me from. And of course, I want to say happy new month, December. Everybody is Decembering, or everybody is having his own or best time for this great moment. And of course, I'm putting on Ghana. Send me your shirt for your country. Maybe Lesotho, maybe South Africa, maybe Botswana, maybe England, maybe America. I have a vest called USA. So I have also Kenya. Send me Tanzania, send me the other one, and I really appreciate, so that I can present for you your country. This is Ghana. A big shout out to you, Ghana. You treated me well, and I really appreciate that for you. So today is another great episode over here. Welcome all to the CJ's family, and I really appreciate that. Ensure you subscribe. Remember, we are to 30,000 subscribers, and of course, when you subscribe today, you add a subscription. You share it with a friend and a friend. When a friend subscribe, we have already subscribed 4 people, and that will push us to 30,000 subscribers. So today I want to be showing you our morning routine, and also what we are doing over here. And for sure, it's the first day documenting me exercising my wife over here. Some people are asking which kind of exercise. Sometimes you come and know what kind of exercise will it be. You know, I'm this guy who is new to this, but on the other end, I'm trying to gain what you call like experience from different places. Most people usually say, hey, this guy now is behind bars because he has been held by the wife, or he has been trapped by the wife. But on another hand, I'm free the way you see. I'm more than free than what you think sometimes on the other end. So let's see and see what's happening on this. So today is just a dressing all, and we see how everything is. So we are starting with the cleaning of the house. It looks, yes. So guys, we are here, and we just want to go somewhere, because putting my pregnant wife with work in the house when she has like 4+ kg in her stomach is not necessarily okay. So sometimes work without play makes Tom a dull boy. Are you Tom?
No.
You're not Tom.
I'm not Tom.
Can you do one? The bamboo follies. Tap, 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 tap. Now you come slowly in these stairs, like to the bamboo follies.
So you want me to, you wanted me to dance, or you wanted me to?
You want to, that is a form of exercise, but I don't want to make you feel like you are doing an exercise. It will be like a song, but you feel like, hey, you know, with me, I'm kind of little smart now. So I don't want to make you, because if I tell you that you're doing exercise, you won't do.
I want to do.
Yeah, so it's better we go slow, like to the bamboo forest. Tap, tap, tap.
It's such a waste of time sometimes. Good morning, my people.
Yes.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm heading for my signature controls, because it's been 2 days. I wanted to relax my hair, then now go back to the signature controls. And husband here is taking me.
Of course, guys, sometimes you have to be always with her. You know, this is the best time to be with her. Sometimes even bonding with the kid. You might go away and come back.
Bonded?
Yeah, you're bonding.
How have you? How did you bond?
Oh,
I'm not telling people this.
that's how we are bonding.
Tell people
Sometimes
how you're bonding with the baby.
Sometimes I put an ear here to hear how she's kicking. Sometimes I just tell her some nice words, some great words. When you come out, be a good girl like your mom. Respect people. Be God-fearing. Something like that.
So the next time when you go to the clinic, you will listen
to the what?
To the is it a stethoscope? And hear her heartbeat. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, sometimes that's how everything. So sometimes you might go far away, and when you come back, you'll be called uncle. So it's better.
Uncle CJ.
Uncle CJ, and you know it's your kid. So it's better to bond. That when she comes out, she knows very well that, hey, daddy, this is the voice that I was hearing. You know, I came to realize that these people inside here, they listen to what you people outside say.
Really?
Yeah, they do listen. I'm a doctor by profession. Dr.
So they
Seti.
can hear.
Dr. Love.
They can hear you making videos. She can hear you making videos.
Yeah, she
now.
can hear me making
You have a
videos.
pimple here. Let me help you.
Hey, I missed these occasions. Oh, do it. That's why we are two. Oh,
And it's painful.
2 by 2. It won't be painful when you are doing it. If it would be me or any other person, it could be more painful. Oh, guys.
I don't have even a cervix. I'm sorry. That's painful.
Thank you. Thank you.
The impatient person is opening the gate now.
Now you say that I'm so impatient.
Guys,
Melo,
check
our
out
boy.
yesterday's video. I posted a video after, I don't know, 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Uh-huh.
But now the boy is so much impatient than anyone else. This great boy.
Hi, morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Hi.
You good? Mama says that you're the most impatient in that house than me.
This guy is impatient.
Wow, what a morning. It looks like a Friday. Yes, mkomboti. Good morning. Shadow nosha simu yako hiyo. Let's go and check what's happening. Let me take her to the salon again. She wanna go make some cornrows. Then from making some cornrows, I wanna take her to somewhere because sometimes I saw her feet are swelling and I don't want that. I don't want to see her her what you call like her legs swelling. So let's just go and check and see what will be happening. All right. First, let me take Melo up slowly so that he can have a haircut. So that he can have a haircut. Go in. Hey, are they not working today? So let's wait for them to come and open and we check. Let's have a haircut, okay? Yeah. So let Melo have a haircut, then we will see how everything will be. Which kind of haircut do you want? Like sure. They cut you here. Here. Okay.
Guys,
I just expected that I was taking her here, but she just decided to take me here. But I love how they did these threads. Also this other side.
hey,
They look,
yeah, it's dry.
yeah.
They're shining.
Yeah, at least so that they cannot look. So they're working on the legs because the legs were in the village for long. So they're working on the legs.
So that the legs can look good.
And look good, and also you look so nice and beautiful.
My
Your
signature.
cornrows look
My
great.
cornrows, because you know why do I like these ones for now? Because they're protective hairstyles. Right now, if I start putting heavy stuff and I'm pregnant, my hair will cut it.
You cut it off.
Yeah,
Lack
then
of
you see now
calcium.
normally when women have a lot of hair, it's
Yeah.
halfway.
Oh, it's halfway. When
So
they're
you have to put this until after you deliver, then still put this
Yeah.
until when we stop breastfeeding.
Yeah.
And
And
also,
also look at Melo.
Melo,
Pele.
Melo had, hey, move back a bit. Move back a bit, yes. He also did his hair. Turn the other side. Hey, she looked nice. She looks nice, yeah. So,
let's wait and see what's happening over here.
yeah.
We'll be right back after the break.
Hey, now your nails look better. Guys, look at mine.
What's wrong?
Now, me, I don't want to do my nails. I don't want to do my nails.
No, it's just like I don't wanted to cut it because in the house
Yeah.
I just want to just come and just.
So there's no need of you buying a nail cutter.
No, we will buy a nail cutter. This is your one. You're supposed to do this.
But I was supposed to do that, and you decided to change your mind.
No, I don't want to make you feel tired.
Yeah, but it's good also to get some massage a bit by our queen from Uganda, Nyabo. Yeah. Yeah, she's from all the way from Uganda. Where in Uganda? Bale.
Eastern Uganda.
Eastern Uganda. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, let's see what happens. I don't know if you like my contours. Me, you'll see me with this for a very long time. Just get used to it. Unless I have a wig. But, yeah, the next? Yeah, so this
Your
one's
hair's going
longer and longer and longer. So, and actually, it's growing because of this. Because if I had the big braids, they chop off. You know, the moment they cut, you find maybe you're sleeping and then one is not there, it comes out with the hair. Yeah, so I like having this. So guys, let's wait and see the end results.
To this Tangi, I'm Julie. We welcome you all. Tangi with this scrub, facial, pedicure, the salonist, massage, everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
She's a perfectionist, guys, and when you show up here, you'll get the best. I think he needs a massage. Yeah. For now, no.
Don't say no.
So we are done, guys. We are from the other side, and let's will see her condos from this side, and we are from Leo's Cosmetic and Salon, and it wants to rain, so we are looking for a tuk-tuk so we can check where we'll be heading. Let's see. Our life in tuk-tuk. We are tuk-tuking.
Yeah.
So let's go and see. At this point of the day, it's so cool and nice. We left Melo. I think Melo was swimming over here. Ooh, he was swimming just over here, and yeah, I just wanna have something to eat. Then wanna proceed with our workout over here with Minhao at the beach, working out at the beach. So it's a very nice occasion over here. Guys, her moods.
What moods?
Her moods.
What about my moods?
1 minute. Another minute. Another minute. Another minute. But it's well and good.
Who
It's
is
part of
changing my
life.
moods?
It's part of life.
Who is affecting my moods?
Anything I do it becomes good and bad to you sometimes. But it's part of life. I know this trimester will just end. So we are here at the beach side, and before we do what we were supposed to do over here, we had just to eat. So the birthday still continues. So birthday girl,
What are you having?
I'm having goat's platter, which is it's a combination of waru or Irish potatoes or French potatoes
And goat meat.
and goat meat. I don't know why I'm too much into goat meat.
Yeah.
And also Melo
Mel is having chicken and cheese masala as always. Right.
and the drink.
Yeah.
We'll
And,
have also, guys,
and apple.
she's saying she doesn't want to eat, but I've just ordered something for her.
Yeah. So let's see what I'll eat. We're here.
Are you ready to just swim?
Oh, you want me to swim? I didn't carry my swimming costume.
No, we compete with Melo. Me, you, and Melo.
I don't have a swimming costume. I didn't carry one.
I know you could have an excuse for that.
No, really. You didn't tell me we were swimming.
Not everything becomes a surprise.
Anyway, guys, we'll see what happens. Okay.
Yeah, guys, look at this lady. Oh my god. She just left some black nightshade at home and she came for salad. You know?
Go for salad.
Yeah, so the saladine.
Yeah.
So she's having french fries also with burger.
Burger.
All burger.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we are back in the house, but it has been I left Minhawi and Melo to come in the house, and I went somewhere, but I'm back in the house and I found that she's asleep, in which maybe it was a long time she was sleeping since that time. But still, one had discussed something between her pregnancy now and having an intimacy with somebody, because sometimes I fear like a man, and I want her just to discuss this with us, because, and also you might be knowing what is happening on this other end. You know, she's asleep, and hopefully things will be okay on the other end, and just wanna do something like some exercise up and down, and we wanna be seeing you.
Hi.
You.
You're recording me well.
I thought you were sleeping deep.
No.
How is the baby?
Baby is fine.
Uh-huh.
Hi guys.
What are you doing?
I'm covering my face.
Jiggy jiggy. You jiggy. By the way, do people jiggy jiggy when they are pregnant?
Before jiggy.
Hey.
I don't know. We need to find out. What do you think?
Guys, do people jiggy jiggy when they are pregnant?
What does jiggy mean?
Do people have an intimacy when they are pregnant?
Do people have make love when they're pregnant?
Mm.
Oh yeah, they do.
Why am I not making?
Are we or we are not?
No, I'm just asking.
Do you want to?
Yeah, I'm just asking why.
No, do you want to?
I fear. Might destroy the baby.
Might destroy the baby. How will it destroy the baby?
Because now the baby is inside,
Mm-hmm.
and we don't want to do anything tampering with that.
So how will it?
Are you eagering for it?
Okay, don't ask me.
No,
such
I'm
kind
just
of
asking.
questions.
Okay.
Guys, what kind of questions are these guys?
I'm just asking you. I'm just being honest and frank. I'm just
Well,
asking.
I don't know.
Does the baby want? Because now
Does
sometimes.
the baby want?
Because the thing is, you always say the baby want you to take me out. I take you out.
So
The baby want. They want me to eat this. I cook. The baby wants today you cook. I cook. You wash. I wash. Now I'm asking. Does the baby? Where did the baby say I want my man?
We've not had that conversation with the baby.
And you look nice when you're sleeping.
And when I wake up.
And when you wake up, you look great and amazing. Fantastic, fabulous.
Fantastic.
Yeah, very conspicuous.
Eish.
Everybody can see you. You can be visible from anywhere.
That
That means very conspicuous. Our love is very conspicuous.
Eish. What does conspicuous mean? I don't even know
Very
the
big
meaning.
and visible.
Okay.
Yeah, huge.
Now, I don't know. That information is
Sensitive.
not sensitive per se. It's
People want to see your face and want to see how you made your condoms.
I made my condoms, guys, today. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's late in the day, so I've even forgotten that I made
some
condoms.
some condos.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So
I'm here. So
you wanted to jiggy or what?
No, I'm just asking. It was
Like
just
what does your heart want?
no. I'm just asking because for now, no test.
No test.
Yeah, I can't feel that because I fear. I fear for that. So I'm just asking. Also, guys, help me by advising down below. Is it recommendable for one to have that thing?
What thing?
That thing.
Yesterday's videos, guys were saying that you're shy, and even right now you're saying that thing instead of calling it what it is. Call a big spoon a spoon.
It's a spade.
Call a spade a spade.
No, it's a spoon. Yeah. So. What's making you laugh?
No, because I like the way it meanders around words. You know, what now? There are people who make love when they are pregnant. There are those who do not. There are those who reject their spouses. There are those who don't want to be attached or want to be touched. There are those who it depends.
I can feel the rejection sometimes when you don't want to feel me near you. Sometimes you don't want to feel Melo near you. Melo, you're disturbing. And I'm like, Melo was just sitting near you. And
No.
I don't really have me. So now also near.
Melo has a habit of pinching me like all the time like this, and sometimes it gets irritating. So I'm like, can you please stop pinching me? Yeah, so it's either I don't want him or I don't want you.
Anyway, you're growing big, so I don't want you to sleep that way. We wanna go out and we make some king of squat like.
Can I be able to squat like that, me?
You just go and see. Anyway, guys, I wanna
is
check.
is it recommended that I squat like that?
No, it's not recommended, but we want just exercise, small exercise.
No, I'm trying not to go because I know you want to pull me up there, but it's okay, we'll go. And I don't know. I think this conversation will continue maybe later. No, I don't know. What do you think?
All right, guys, she's coming, and we will hear about this, about what she's telling us, and we see. Not that. Okay, let me just
say.
aside.
Just
Not that we are doing this for this, but I'm just asking because it's a question that sometimes I read it somewhere that when people, and also some rumors are spreading around, that when you are pregnant, when your wife is pregnant, you can't cheat. One thing. Second thing, when your wife is pregnant, you are not supposed maybe even to meander with girls near you.
Yeah.
When your wife is pregnant, you're not supposed maybe to do it. If you used to do it frequently, maybe you do it once, maybe after 2 days or after 1 week. So I'm so surprised. Also with me, I fear, even to lean on her this way, I'm fearing that. So I'm just asking for those who maybe, for the spouses, or for advice from you guys. You know,
what
everything.
I know, like tradition,
What you know.
like African wise.
Okay, when you are at that point, yeah, African traditional.
You're not supposed to even try to cheat when your wife is pregnant, especially, or you go touch other women, then come touch your wife, or your infant baby. Yeah.
So, like, for now, I'm not supposed even to greet girls in the
not
general.
greeting. No, then you know what I'm saying. Like sexually, like you have sexual intentions.
So do I cheat?
Do you cheat?
Yes, that's what I'm asking.
No, I'm asking you. I'm just explaining what you are talking about.
Yeah.
But do you cheat?
I don't.
Have you ever cheated?
I don't.
Okay. So then why you don't worry?
No, I'm just asking because sometimes I'm this guy who is bubbly with everyone. Sometimes you find people there, hey, CJ, hug. Hey, CJ.
Okay, is it like you can be bubbly, but of course you need to have any boundaries, of course. Yeah. Not that don't hug people, like kill boundaries. You know, when you're married, so you don't. Not everyone can jump on your.
And sometimes you know you have those friends that are just friends.
Of course, they're friends, but those were not friends. You know,
how do you mean friend? They're not friends.
But they're
friends with benefits.
Those people who want to, of course, and also it's not even only them. Even if it's you or me, you know, who also wants like something extra. Or they say, oh, this guy is good or this lady is good, and I want to.
Have you ever done that?
Of course not. I'm just explaining. Have you ever done that?
Not. No.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's something that we are just discussing for now. Pregnancy and sex, is it real?
Is it real? It's real. It's something that's there. Right now, if you want to have sex, you'll have sex.
So.
Guys, stop.
Sorry, guys. I'm sorry because she said so, and I was like, okay, let's go out.
Is that how you?
I forgot I was on camera. Wait, no.
Watching this. He knows he's on camera. He's just trying to pull your legs.
I forgot I was on camera, guys. Yeah. But anyway, let's go out for just a walk up there, guys, and then we want to.
Can you imagine if you feel like going out, but this guy won't leave me?
I don't want you to sleep that way every single time, because if you sleep that way, guys, is this the right position to sleep with the baby? You know, sometimes I need to be very curious now. Is this the right posture to sleep when you're pregnant? This way? Yeah. I thought you were asleep this.
That way this. Yes, sometimes.
You sleep up like.
No, I like this way because it gives me like, I feel like I'm relaxed a bit.
But now this is not you carrying the baby, it's the bed.
It's the baby carrying, girl supporting me carry it.
Now that how is the baby feeling that I'm being carried by mama? Stand up. Stand up, we go.
Yeah, I'm getting up.
And every single day you grow beautiful. I don't know why. Let's go. Let's go for a walk.
Guys, me after this, he needs to start.
So today it's an access given through, because I've been asking her and she has been saying blah blah.
I've been
complicating yourself. Now you have told me. Let's go out.
Okay.
We exercise.
Okay.
You can come, we start it from here. Ah, very nice exercise. From this side. Hey, we can come. Which is the best exercise for ladies with pregnancy?
For pregnant women.
Yeah, for
You know it's dark. You can't be able to see properly. Put on
So
the
let's
light.
go to the rooftop. Let's come. Okay, do this.
Do what?
Do this.
Like that.
Do this. Do this.
I can't. That's not recommended.
This way.
What?
Okay. Go. I'm helping you to hold this. Go down low. Go down low.
Like.
Stop like yeah. Go down low. Go down low.
Let me go down by
Okay.
myself.
Aye.
Like this.
Not that way.
Squatting. That's dangerous.
So start this way, and then me I'm holding the stomach.
Like the stomach was.
No, go this. You just go slow. Easy up, easy up, easy up. Hey,
This guy.
again, hold this, hold.
Guys,
Yeah.
like, come on.
Okay, have this, do this way, do this way. Go down that way. Hey, if you go, you fall down. Again, no, a little.
Okay, let me.
A little again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Again. 1, 2. Let's go upstairs.
I'm not even dressed for gym.
No, that's not for gym. Which gym is this for?
This gym, yeah.
All right,
Guys.
let's walk out the staircases. Then we're gonna see because the staircase will be better.
Yeah,
for
I
you.
think walking.
Yeah.
These other ones, I feel like they're acrobatics.
Exhausting. Oh, hey. Acrobatic.
Acrobatics.
Right. Okay. Doors closed. Let's go up. The moment you walk these stairs until up the rooftop, it will be better. And I told you guys the other time that I'll be coming in and finding that she's putting on my clothes. Now look.
What clothes are we putting on?
The cape is also on top. She's like, remove it. No, I don't want to remove it. Now look. We are supposed to go this way.
Okay.
Okay, up. Up. This.
No, you're supposed to go
No,
up.
you're not supposed to hold here.
Okay.
You're supposed to go up, up. The bamboo forest. Tap, 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 stop, stop. Breathe in.
That's the
Breathe
first
in.
floor from our floor.
Okay, again. Relax. Come slowly, slowly. So, at this other end, you can view your neighbors from this side. Fortune favors the brave. On the other end, still you're going up. Okay?
The road to success.
Okay.
The road to, it's written the road to success. Why
Alright.
is this Nini that always, and Juma wipes it, but it's
Let's go up. I know you. Go. 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 How do you feel? Stretching? Stretching?
since
Hello?
you came, I've been at least stretching.
You wait, guys. We wake up when we'll be arriving at the rooftop. She will be like, she needs water. But anyway, who cares? Let's go up and see how everything is. And then we'll be seeing up. Don't hold here. Hold my waist. Kimbo.
Hands are Kimbo.
Hands at the Kimbo. You know, now you fall down. Okay. Okay. At least.
We're here.
Okay. You come slowly.
I was almost thinking this house. Sometimes,
Oh, today no wind. It's just okay.
yeah, today
It's a bit calm and nice.
I think we can even sit up here.
Where do you want to sit? No, you shouldn't be sitting there. I think the other side will be better. Are you okay?
The other side?
Yeah. Oh, look, is the stomach aching? Why are you doing this?
I'm just touching.
Yeah, of course there's some crows here. Wow.
Where is Melo?
Melo went somewhere in the shop and now we can make some stories.
Yeah.
What is your goal for this pregnancy?
Like I want to have it like with 0 complications. My prayer. Yeah. 0 complications. That's the prayer of my heart. every time.
Every single time.
Yeah.
That's one of the great. And how do you see the every place like here? Like how can I just look at this? How do you feel being in Mombasa?
I like being in Mombasa because it's calm. Like guys, you can see,
Mm-hmm.
it's very calm. Not so much going on.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to go somewhere, you can just go.
Mm-hmm.
No much pressure. We have a lot of like different kinds of civilizations, different kinds of cultures. It's entertaining. And
This house has been built just like in 1 week, right?
Yeah.
This one that you see over here, guys, in between.
Yeah.
So that which means there's some more houses. So I think we can just go and book. You know, like a house like this, guys, the way you see it that way, already people have already booked.
Yeah.
This is mine. This is mine. So they already booked them that way.
Yeah.
So when it's complete, you just move in that way.
I like how calm it is here. It's even easier to do a live stream
It's
right now.
very, very, very easy.
And also, can you, like up here, if you wanted to do a video right now, you can do it perfectly.
Very perfectly compared to maybe at the noon time.
Yeah.
Or at the evening time when the wind is too much. Today looks like very calm.
It's very calm.
Very, very calm. And also the effect of goats and some birds. You feel more in the village rather than being in the city.
That's true.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the outskirts of the Mombasa area. So this is called Bamburi, and that's it. So tell people why. So
what?
tell people.
What do I tell people?
Tell people about how life is in pregnancy. How frequent does someone have that?
As frequent as
intimacy?
you want, as long as it's peaceful, it makes you comfortable, and as long as you have no problem with it.
Do you have a problem with me?
You? Why would I have a problem with you?
I'm
saying if you don't have a problem with having sexual intercourse.
You know, it's new for me, so I have
New
to
for you?
to ask. Not new in terms of sex, no, new in terms of pregnancy.
Pregnant and
To nurture pregnancy. It's just new.
it's something you're doing for the first time.
Yeah, that I'm just trying to check and say, Vanange,
What do I do?
What do I do?
Do you what's your?
And the most scary part is the part that sometimes when you wake up,
Can you move a bit like this?
sometimes when you woke up and you start saying, that scares me.
Okay.
Do you want me to sit here?
No. Just like this, because the lighting is from here.
No, let me hold this camera for myself. Guys, look the depth of down here.
Look at Melo.
That's me. Look how he's walking. He's tired.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
And the sun is setting down. Wow. Yeah, in real life, sometimes that's how it is. Because with me, I always, even in animals, when a goat, because let me give an example, because I know goats more than any other cow. When a goat is pregnant, no any other he-goat can go near. They just respect. And also when a cow also get pregnant, the cows get pregnant.
The bulls keep distance.
The bulls keep distance. So like me, I was planning maybe to keep distance, stay in the village or go travel. But on the other end, I just remembered I'm just a human being. I'm not an animal. So
Stay in the village or go travel when your wife is pregnant.
So that's what I'm telling you. And until my head came on, I was like, where? So because I just read I was doing a small research, and people say because I was watching some pregnancy videos and I saw that a baby listens to the father when he's still in the stomach. So when she comes out, they bond more than they bond more than when the father is far away and then he comes back. Yeah, so I decided to run away back to this area so that I can come and bond with my baby. But the most worst, so I'm bonding. So the most worst part is that for jiggy. That's why I'm asking for people.
So why
pregnancy and sex. So,
what about pregnancy and sex? What's your question now?
My question is, how do people manage sex during pregnancy?
Well, I don't think it's Greek or something complicated. Just having sex like any other day you can have when someone is not sex, only that you're now careful and not not super aggressive. If at all you're aggressive, that's what I think. I know that's what I know, and it just depends with also people. There are those who want, there are those who do not want. That's just it depends with people.
On the other end.
Which end?
On the other end. What happened?
Or you want to try?
Should I?
No, I'm asking you, or you.
Here, rooftop.
No, these guys.
No, you just all you want to try.
No,
so you
like
want...
or you want to, because now you want, or maybe
I'm
you want
scared. I'm really
No,
scared.
if you're scared, it's okay. Like it's not. It's normal. You're scared.
And that's when you see, when you hear somebody saying, "No, it's okay." For the ladies saying it's okay, that's the worst part. So it's better you risk. Why are you laughing?
Because what do you think I could do?
I have to risk because I might come and be called uncle. Uncle?
But you want to be called uncle because you're here. Because guys, he's here, and no one is doing anything. Contrary, we have our.
And also, I was reading on the other end because I've done a lot of research. I don't know if I'm just paranoid about it. That when you make a lot of that, the baby becomes dirty.
Dirty?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know.
That when the baby is being born, he or she will be very dirty.
Yeah,
And
I
even,
don't know these things.
and even the
also,
doctors will realize that these people used to diggy when they
the doctor realizing is just a normal thing. That's nothing complicated. Even we will advise you to go have it. Me, my first pregnancy was high risk and complicated, so I never have got to do that because most of the times I was in the hospital.
Okay.
It's also like the first time for me. So I'm also a bit scared because of the experience I had back then.
So what's the effectiveness of having sex while pregnant?
Maybe the people can leave comments there, like, is it good, is it safe? But I know it's safe, like common sense, and also if you read so much, like me, I know it's safe and it's okay to do it, but it depends with how you do you want to be tossed around and all that? If that's the question, no. If you want, yes. Are you scared? Like if your husband or your boyfriend is scared of doing that when they're pregnant? Some people are scared like you now. Probably you never experienced that, so you just stay like that.
I stay scared.
Like stay scared. It's good.
But that sometimes can lead to a man cheating.
A man cheating?
Yes.
Hey, what a topic. Have you thought of cheating?
I've never thought of cheating. But there's that urge that somebody look at this and has another third eye, like he's looking there. And so I'm just asking for that. Like, what?
Will you be tempted to?
Yeah, I'm just asking that if somebody get tempted to just cheat because now the wife is in. Maybe the guy is feeling.
No, it's because it's the guy who is scared.
Hiya.
Because when the guy is scared, how will you do? What should you do?
Anyway, guys, time is going down, and I don't want to exhaust you with this conversation. I just wanted to just.
Let me tell you one thing.
Just tell me the two things.
If someone wants to, like for example, let me just put this out there. If someone wants to cheat, even if their wife is pregnant or not, they will always cheat. But when someone has no, if you have no respect for that period of pregnancy for your wife, and you feel your urges or your needs are more important than what you guys are experiencing together, like bring a baby to this world, any man who is foolish enough will go and cheat.
Oh, so the foolish people will cheat?
Yeah, foolish people cheat, especially when their wives are pregnant.
And wise people?
No, they don't. They respect their wives even throughout, even not necessarily during pregnancy, throughout their marriages and whatever the situationship they are in.
Guys, let's know at the comment section what you think about that. That was Melo that we saw from afar, and here he is.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we want to be ending this video. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video till to the end. I really appreciate your love and support. And I just woke up and felt something that I want to share with you, and I was like, I've already done it. And let us know at the comment section now what you think about that.
What do they think?
Jog.
I jogging is a no.
Jig. Alright guys, thank you so much. Subscribe to me and Howie.
Yeah.
Road to
subscribe to my channel, guys. Road to 10,000 subscribers. Melo Howie's channel, road to 1,000 subscribers.
Roll to
1K.
1K. Hey.
1K subscribers.
Alright.
Road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Subscribe. And who knows what today what might happen today.
Yeah, I'll give you a feedback tomorrow. guys.
Don't.
On tomorrow's
I'm
video,
kidding.
just ask me on the premiere that did you do it?
I know.
I'll either say yes or no.
Trust me, we shall not.
All right, guys. Thank you so much and
Thank
bye.
you. Bye.
Okay.